Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Camry door handle. Begin by gathering tools and a replacement handle, then remove the inner door panel carefully using a trim pry tool and Phillips screwdriver. Keep fasteners organized and take photos if needed to remember cable routing and clip placement. Work patiently to avoid breaking plastic clips and check the new handle for smooth operation before reassembling the panel and reconnecting the battery. Remove screws from the armrest and door pull, then use a trim tool to pry the panel away from the door, working along the bottom edge to pop clips gently. Lift the panel up to clear the window channel and set it forward. Then disconnect any electrical connectors, including window switches and courtesy lights, storing the panel on a clean surface to prevent scratches while you work on the handle assembly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car repair videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that brightens your drive and pairs nicely with a weekend repair. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Reach inside the door to access the handle bolts and detach the linkage rod or cable from the old handle, noting clip orientation. Remove the handle and compare it to the new part, then fit the replacement, secure bolts snugly, and reconnect the linkage so it moves freely without binding. Cycle the handle several times to ensure smooth operation, then proceed to reattach the inner panel and test all electrical functions before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.